YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back. This is another video where we're going to be breaking down trades taken on gold and GJ. These were took today during pre-London session, and as you can see, this is gold right here. We still have a position running on gold, and this was the trade on GJ today. It just went absolutely ballistic. As you can see, we hit take profit 2 for 65 pips, and also take profit 1, of course. And it's still pushing. We are touching into these levels now, so I'm interested to see what could happen around here. Could even be something like this at the top of this zone. Don't really like having my zones this big, so we'll see what happens here on GJ. But yeah, this trade was called out in my private Telegram. If you guys are interested in joining, the link will be down in the description, as well as the free Telegram for you guys to join and take a look. This is the free Telegram right here. I'm just currently uploading a video, and these were today's trades, etc. And I'm sorry if I'm talking really fast. But this was a GJ trade called today. So this is the before, as you can see. We have our levels right here: entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. And then we have so this was at 3 p.m. and then at 5:32 p.m. so now 2.5 hours later, we hit take profit 1 here for 30 pips or 35, and then literally 2 minutes after that, so 5:32, 5:34, take profit 2 here gets hit for 65 pips. Didn't even get a chance to close half or close some positions and move to break even. Price just rallied up like with lots of volume, and so hit full take profit there on GJ. Take profit 2 hit 65 pips total on GJ today. So that was the GJ trade, and you can see our members here. If I scroll down, this is Tony. He took this trade today on GJ. He made $90. You can see he's saying let's go. He's like, and he's also in gold, so he took partial profits on gold because he hit take profit 1 and then moved it to break even. So that was the GJ trade called out in the private GJ Telegram. And like I said, if you guys are interested, the link will be down below. And then we have gold, right? Let's take a look at gold. We are currently pushing to take profit 2 right here. So again, we hit take profit 1, we moved our stops to break even, we took some partials, and now the rest is running here to take profit 2 for 75 pips. Take profit 1 here was 35 pips. And again, that was called out in the gold private Telegram. As you can see right here, this was the before. You can see gold sells, entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. And then when we hit take profit 1, oh no, we was 30 pips in profit, so 5 pips off take profit 1. I just said move stops to break even, because if you're 5 pips from your take profit level, you don't really want to be in that trade if it reverses from there and comes all the way back up to break even. So that's why I said that. And then literally that was 550 and this was 550 in the same instance. Take profit 1 got hit for 35 pips, and obviously like we moved our stops to break even and took some profits, and now you can see we are driving down into take profit 2. Let's see if this hits. Again, beautiful move, anticipated the volume, anticipated the momentum, same as GJ. You know, we called GJ really from the bottom of this move right here, right? Our entry was here, boom. We literally caught this from the bottom of the move. Great anticipation of, you know, nice move up, pullback, continuation, support created, market structure broken. Here we can see downtrend, 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 start of uptrend, break current market structure, and move to the upside, right? So simple trading concepts, right? Key levels, market structure, price action, momentum, anticipation of volume, key levels, etc., right? It's all about keeping it simple and using the basics. Here on gold, we can see that the market is trending to the upside. We create this low in the market and we create a high, and then we come down and take out that low. Market structure broken to the downside, retest of a key level, rejection, momentum, price action, anticipation of volume, and again we have another beautiful trade and you can see here gold is really starting to push down towards take profit 2 now. So yeah, all in all, a beautiful day, beautiful end to the week here on DJ and Gold. And we are currently now, where are we? Where did I put that? So we are currently now since the 1st of June, 26 wins, 4 losses, and 9 break-even trades. Right, just let that sink in for a second. 26 wins, 4 losses, and 9 break-even trades since the start of June. It hasn't even been 2 months yet, and these are our results, right? Crazy. All called out in the Telegram channels, all for everyone to see, called out live. You know, just you know, if we scroll all the way back here, oh, this is the trading journal. Yeah, my bad. Gold, right? Boom. All here, right? It's all here. All called out. Boom. Trades, right? Entries, trades, more trades. Obviously it looks a little bit different right now, because I've kind of, you know, I've changed the color of my charts, and I do it different now. I do it like this. I provide the levels like this instead of just providing it on the chart with the levels right here. So it's all there. You can go back and look at it all. You can scroll through. You can scroll through the free Telegram, because I used to post my signals for free in here. As we can see, today's gold levels are in right here. Stop loss, entry, take profit. I used to do this for free here again, right? Stop loss, entry, take profit. So it's all there. The links will be down below, like I said. Free Telegram, paid Telegram, join up. You're missing out. 26 wins, 4 losses, 9 break-even trades since June 1st.